Hello, my friends. Welcome to Dr.Skinyou channel. Do you want to be your own dermatologist? So stay with me. I am a pharmacist with medical number MCNO PH4476. I work in the field of formulation of skin, hair, and beauty products. And through this channel, I would like to share my 22 years of professional experience with you. All the product we make together in this channel are completely scientific and effective, and have been experienced by me and my dermatologist colleagues for years. In some cases, for the convenience of your work in preparing chemical or expensive raw materials, we have simplified the formulas a little, but with the assurance of maintaining the quality and effectiveness of the product. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to learn more about skincare.